Adding YouTube TV to another TV is a simple process that takes just a few steps. First, make sure the TV is connected to the internet and has a compatible streaming device like a smart TV, Roku, Firestick, Apple TV, or Chromecast. Open the YouTube TV app on the new device, or if it's not installed, download it from the App Store. Once open, select Sign In, and a code will appear on the screen. Using a phone, tablet, or computer, go to tv.youtube.com/start in a web browser and enter the code. Then log into your YouTube TV account and the device will be linked automatically. If the TV doesn't support the YouTube TV app, another option is to use screen mirroring or casting from a mobile device. For multiple TVs in a household, YouTube TV allows up to 3 simultaneous streams, so be mindful of any usage limits. Once everything is set up, simply launch the app on the new TV and start streaming your favorite shows and live channels without any hassle.